In this video, I'll build a complete $1 million fragrance brand using only AI, including the logo, bottle, website, and ads. Okay, step one, we need a name for our fragrance brand, and I think we're going to call it Aviar. Okay, now we need to go onto Higgsfield so we can start creating some images. For this video, I'll be using the model GPT Image 2. I asked it to create me a logo design for my male premium fragrance brand called Aviar. Okay, after what felt like 15 minutes, we have our generations, and I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look that good. We're aiming for a luxury perfume brand, and usually logos like these do not work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this image as a reference image. I'm going to change the model to Nanobanana, and I'll ask it to remove everything apart from the text Aviar. Okay, and now we got this. And yeah, I think this works a lot better than these ones. Okay, now it's time to create the actual products for our brand. I've attached the new logo as a reference image. I've switched to GPT Image 2, and I've asked Claude to generate me a prompt so I can create 3 product concept designs. Let's now hit generate and see what we get back. Okay, so after a bunch of failed attempts, we finally got one that I like. As you can see, we have 3 different perfume designs, and we also have 1 packaging box for each one of them. I like how each of these bottles are different designs for different perfumes for the brand. Now, this is the reality with AI. It will take a couple of failed generations to get something like this where you can actually use in real life. Now, what I'm going to do is take this image to create 4 new images of the box by itself and the 3 bottles by themselves. Nice. Now we have 4 separate images of each of the items by themselves. Now what I'm going to do is attach the logo as a reference image. I'll also attach this image as a reference image. And now I'm going to ask it to create me a brand kit. If you don't know what a brand kit is, it's basically an image that describes the brand. It'll have the logo, it'll have all the typography, just so when we create ads, it's consistent with our brand identity. And just like that, we have 2 brand kits. I say we use this one because it also has stuff like patterns and textures. And because we're using GPT Image 2, all the very small texts are perfectly rendered too. So this is the brand kit we will be using. Okay, to test the brand kit, I say we make some Billboard ads. So we'll make a Billboard ad for each one of these perfumes. Let's start off with this one right here. So I'll grab this as a reference image. We'll remove everything else, but we'll also attach our brand kit. Okay, now we have 3 different Billboard ads being generated. The first one will be located in New York City at night. The second one should be located in Tokyo during the day. And the last one should be a highway billboard ad. Okay, they're done generating, so let's go look at them. This one should be the one in New York City. And wow, I specified it to be on a big screen, and this is clearly a huge screen. We have the perfume bottle here, which is the right one that I asked for. We've got the logo over here. We also have the brand badge, which was in the brand kit. So clearly GPT Image 2 did follow the brand kit. And in general, the ad definitely follows the vibe of our brand. If we look at the second one, which uses the black perfume bottle, this one's in Tokyo. And as you can see, GPT Image 2 is great at multilingual images because we have Japanese text over here. We have our ad here. And in the prompt, I asked for a big screen. This is also a big screen. I will say that this ad definitely does not belong over here, but the ad itself looks really nice. Okay, now this one I really like. I asked it to be on a highway billboard screen, and it is on one, but I also asked it to light up, and as you can see, there is some light over here, and it is during the nighttime. So I definitely really like this one. Okay, so now it's time to have some fun and create some cinematic ads for our product. I'll go click onto Marketing Studio, which is a great feature on Higgsfield that lets you create amazing cinematic ads without having to be the best prompt engineer. So once we enter Marketing Studio, all you have to do is click Product. Then you want to click Create Manually. Once you click that, you can upload your product image. So we uploaded this bottle. Let's give it a name of Perfume 1. For the description, we will say male perfume. Let's create the product. Once we've created it, we can now click on it. And this is why I love Higgsfield Marketing Studio. There are a bunch of different presets for different type of ads you can create. So for this one, I think we're going to go for the hypermotion. Okay, so I attached the brand kit and then I asked it to use the brand kit attached for reference of the style of the ad. Create a luxury perfume ad for perfume 1. It should feel expensive but elegant. Now all we got to click generate, and then Marketing Studio will create a new project which will look something like this, and then you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes until it's finished generating. But we're not going to waste any time, so while that one's generating, we'll create another ad. This time we'll use a different perfume bottle, and I think I want to use this one right here. This one looks more like a woman's perfume bottle, so let's create a UGC ad with this bottle right here. But this time in the product name, we will specifically say woman's perfume, and we will just say woman perfume. So we're specifically telling that this is a woman's perfume bottle. Okay, so for this one, I think it's best to use the UGC ad format. So we'll select that one. But this time I want to give Marketing Studio a very simple prompt of create a UGC style ad for women's perfume, just to test how good Marketing Studio really is when you give a very vague prompt. Now let's click generate, which will cost us 75 credits, and it will take us into a new project folder. Okay, so our product ad for the perfume has been generated, and for some reason the first generation didn't work. I think it's because I used the brand kit. So I removed the brand kit attachment and regenerated it. So this video was generated without the brand kit. So let's see what it was able to make. Wow, that's really, really nice. I like how these close-ups are very detailed, and that's part of the bottle, because if we zoom into the actual bottle, you can see we have this pattern right here, and in the ad, we have a close-up of the details. One thing I'll say that doesn't feel right is where the text goes from 0 opacity to 100% opacity, but I guess most people won't be able to spot that. That is a bit odd though. Other than that, this is a beautiful ad that would usually cost tens of thousands of dollars because you'd have to hire an agency to create this, and we were able to create it for dirt cheap using Higgsfield. Okay, it looks like the UGC ad has been created too. So just for a quick recap, we used the spicy hook, and this is a woman's UGC ad style format.
This is Avior Lumiere Blanche.
It's clean, soft, and a little creamy like fresh linen on warm skin.
If you like scents that sit close but get noticed, try Lumiere Blanche. 2 sprays, done.
Wow, that looks perfect. The only thing I'd say looks kind of unnatural is the way she grabs the bottle without even looking, but I guess it doesn't look too unnatural. Other than that, it's perfect. Even the bottle looks perfect. Yup, the text is all perfect. Wow, this is a UGC ad you could literally use. I'm very impressed. Okay, so I've actually generated an image, this image right here, which looks to be like an alien planet. And what I want to do is test Higgsfield's Marketing Studio by giving it this image and the perfume bottle and asking it to create an ad. And then I guess we can see what we get. Okay, so this time I've attached the reference image of the alien planet. I've also mentioned it in the text prompt. This time we'll make the ad 10 seconds long. We'll use the hypermotion ad format and we'll hit generate and see what we get. Okay, our video has generated. Let's go have a look. Okay, so first of all, that is amazing. And also, one thing I want to say is when Seedance first released, most people were impressed by the video generation, which I must say is beautiful, but I'm more impressed with the text rendering because if you slow this down, the text is perfect throughout the whole video. Like that's really hard with video generation models. And I'm also impressed with the music because if you listen carefully, the music really matches the vibe and also matches all the cuts and transitions that happen throughout the video. Just listen carefully. When the video slows down, the music slows down, everything's just perfect. Okay, now I want to create a website UI design for our fragrance brand. So I've attached our brand kit and I've asked it to create a landing page website UI design for our luxury fragrance brand Aviar. Follow the brand kit attached. Let's see what GPT Image 2 cooks up. And also, while it's generating this website UI, let's also generate a magazine ad. Okay, so I've asked it to create a magazine front cover photo, and the main ad should be our luxury fragrance brand Aviar. Follow the brand kit attached. Let's see what it creates with that prompt. Okay, nice. The images have been generated. Let's have a look. Starting off with the website design, and wow, this looks luxurious and it perfectly followed our brand kit. We can see used the right logo, the exact right products, and even the text rendering is perfect. We also created a magazine cover, so let's have a look at them. Wow, this one's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so it's using this product, and you can see I didn't even mention which product to use. It just decided which one was going to be best for the cover, and it decided to use one of them. The other one isn't as good. I would say this one is a lot better. I also asked GPT Image 2 to create the mobile UI for the website. And if we look over here, it did it perfectly. And it even did it in more detail than I asked for. It created the whole website UI. So obviously when you first load it on your phone, you'll only see this part. But if you scroll down, this would be the parts under it. Okay, so let's summarize everything we created in just about under an hour. So we first created the logo for our new brand. We then created 3 product designs and a packaging design. We then created an image for each one of those. Then we created a brand kit, which we can now use forever, whether we want to create more ads. We also created a billboard ad. Beautiful. We created a website design. Like, bro, website designers would charge thousands of dollars for something like this. We created the mobile version for the website design, and we also created a magazine cover. But of course, that's not all, because we also created these product ads, like this alien-like ad. We also created a UGC ad for the product, and we also created this beautiful, luxurious product ad. And that was all done in under an hour. Now, all I wanted to do in this video was to blow your mind on what's possible with AI. Now, if you want to learn how to create more AI images and videos like the ones in this video, then I 100% recommend subscribing, because these are the type of videos I upload. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.